Hello guys, this is Ahmad Rabi from English Fit, and here we have another great lesson for you guys. I want you to watch this video to the end. We want to speak about time sequencers. Do you know what are time sequencers? So, time sequencers are some words like first, then, next, after that. Finally, we use them to organize speaking and listening. So, we usually use these words to give instructions, to describe a process, or to tell a story. So, today we want to speak about these time sequencers. First, next, then, after that, and finally. So, today we want to speak about a process and instruction. But before that, let me give you some great points. We always use comma after these words to describe a sentence. And there's a difference here between next and then. You probably don't know. So we use next to speak about an action that happens immediately after another action. But we use then to speak about an action that happens after another action, but it's not immediate. That's the difference between next and then. And we can use first, next. It can come at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. So let me give you an instruction. Can you guys cook? I can make an omelette, so I can give you an instruction. So listen up. First, if you want to make an omelette, first you should break the eggs, and then, next, you heat the butter in the pan. Then you just add the eggs to the pan. After that, you can add some spices, salt, or ingredients. And finally, you can eat the omelette with toast. See, that's really simple. So here I was trying to speak about a process. I was trying to give you an instruction. Or imagine you want to learn English. What do you do first? First, you have to set goals to learn English, right? That's right. Next, you make a to-do list for the next day. Then you work hard on it, and finally, hard work pays off. What does it mean? Hard work pays off. Yeah, hard work pays off. Which means when you work hard for something, you will get great benefits from your efforts. That's what it means. So I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. We will have more videos. Do not forget to subscribe and like us. And now it's your time. Make your own example for us. Thank you.